being so close in 2017 really motivated us. We got back, and it was like, all right, it's game on. Like, as soon as I landed, the cowl was off, the engine's coming off. We're going to go through everything, make sure it's all perfect. We had the plane apart, like completely apart, wings off, upside down, probably by, I don't know if it was into October or November, but pretty much had the whole thing taken apart. And we're going to start kind of repairing the belly damage from the augmenter design that we did. We did the piano hinge flaps this year. Just each year we take the flap brackets off because it has a Fowler flap. So we take those brackets off each year, and it was like 10 man-hours of labor to do it because you got to take the ailerons off, and it's just a big pain to do in Reno. And at the end of the week, everybody's tired, and the last thing we want to do. So it's like, all right, let's do this big project. And so we did the piano hinge flap mod and got the engine overhauled. Were kind of the big things we started with this year, and got most of that done in the spring. But after that, it was like, all right, we can start testing. We did a ton of work, not only the flat mod, the one the secret weapon this year was working on new wingtip designs. So Kurt Burris was a friend of ours that was an aerodynamicist, and so we went, I don't know how many iterations we went through with him of like trying to get the perfect wingtip. And then, at one point we're like, is it really about the perfect, wing vortex, or is it just about area? Because you look at Strega and Rare Bear and all those ones, they just cut the wings off. And so we took the math model we had, and we were like, let's just cut it off at the fuel bay. Like, yeah, let's get rid of another foot. What could go wrong?